Hi students, welcome to my channel Dr. Physics, and in this video we are going to study about the topic algebraic operations with significant figures. Now what is the meaning of algebraic operations with significant figures? Okay, we will see it. Algebraic operations with significant figures. Now what is the meaning of this algebraic operation with significant figures? Now say me the value of 1 plus 2. What is the value of 1 plus 2? The value of 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, well and good. What is the value of 1.0 plus 3.00? What is the value of this? The value of 1.0 plus 3.00 is nothing but how much? 4. Or I can write as 4.0. Or I can write as 4.00. But which is right answer? Out of these three, which is right answer? The answer is second one. But why? Why this is right answer? Why these two are wrong answers? We will see in this topic, that is algebraic operations. There are few rules to add the decimals. There are few rules to subtract the decimals. Now we will see them. Even not only by adding and subtraction, if you are taking this 1 into 2, what is the value of 1 into 2? 2. Now what is the value of 1.0 into 2.0? The value is 2.0. Why I can't write 2? Why I can't write 2 and why I can't write 2.00? Yeah, values are same, right? But why I can't write like this? Why the answer is this is the right answer? We will see it. There are few rules. We will follow that. Now see here. Algebraic operation is significant. First one, while addition and subtraction. While addition and subtraction, the rules are same. And while division and multiplication, the rules are same. What are the rules here? First one, at every intermediate step, plus 1 is acceptable. At every intermediate step, plus 1 is acceptable. Second one, C after the decimal. And third one, answer should have least decimal. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of these three sentences? Remember this. At every intermediate step, plus 1 is acceptable, and we should see only after the decimal. In addition and subtraction, we should see only always after the decimal point, and the answer should be have least decimal. Now, so what is the meaning of this? Now see here, 1.3 and 2.50. Now what is the answer for this? Answer for this 3.80. But if you observe carefully, in this the number of digits after decimal is how much? In this first value, the number of digits after decimal is how much? 1. In this, the number of digits after decimal is how many? 2. And which are having least? The least is for 1. Therefore, the answer should have the same number of digits of the least. Therefore, this is not the right answer. The right answer is 3.8 is the right answer. Because the answer after decimal, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit is there. And because the least is having 1 digit, therefore answer should also have the 1 digit. Now we will see one more example for clarity. 2.84, 1.12. 8. Okay, what is the answer for this? 8. I am adding 8, 6, 9, 3. 3.968. Now for this, after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. For this, after decimal, how many digits are there? 3. Which is the least? The least one is for 2. Therefore, even for answer, answer should also have the digits which are having the least value. That means how much? That means I should have only 2 decimals. That means I have to round off till 2 numbers. Therefore, answer is 3.9. I should round off. If it is greater than 5, then what I have to do? I have to add, therefore 9, 7. The answer is 3.97. I think this is clear what we did. Now see here. 1.41, 0.10.0, 10.5. Now what is the answer for this? I am adding all the three terms. 0, 1 is nothing but 2, 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9, 1 plus 1 is 2. 21.920 is the answer. But for first one, how many decimal? 2. For second one, how many digits are there? 3. And for third one, how many digits are there after decimal? 5. Sorry, not 5, 1. Now see, observe carefully. The least number of digits of the decimal is 1. Here 2, but here 3 are there, which is not acceptable. At every intermediate step, plus 1 is acceptable. That means 2 is acceptable, but 3 is not acceptable. I have to round off it. If I round off this one to 2, what I will get? There is nothing but 10.01. That means now it is having 2. Least one is 1. Plus 1 is acceptable, no problem. Now add them. How much? This is the answer. Now least one is how much? 1. Therefore I have to convert this one as single. Therefore 21 point. If I round off to a single digit after decimal, therefore I will get as 21.9. The rounding of 2 is nothing but less than 5. Therefore leave as it is. Therefore 21.9 is the answer for that addition. I think these are clear how to add and how to subtract. Even for subtraction also same rules. Like 2.42 minus 1.0. Now show me the answer for this. What is the answer for this? The answer for this is 241. 1.42. But in here, how many decimals are there after decimal? How many digits are there after decimal? 1. But here, how many digits are there after decimal? 2. 1 least, 2 plus 1. Therefore, acceptable. Therefore, I am subtracting. The final answer is 1.42. But least is having how many? 1. Therefore, the answer should also have only one digit after decimal. Therefore, 1.4 is the answer. These are the algebraic operations with signal figures while addition and subtraction. Now next one we will see with multiplication and division. Second one, while multiplication and division. While multiplication and division, what to do and how to do. Now observe carefully. The rules are also simple. Plus 1 is acceptable. Same as before one. Plus 1 is acceptable. Next one. Count the significant figures. Count the significant figures for whole value. There we have seen only the digits after the decimal, but here I will count the significant figures for the whole value. Now third step, the answer should have least significant figure. Now observe carefully what I am doing. Now 1 into 2, what is the value? 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. Here how many significant figures for 1? 1 is nothing but 1. Significant figures are 1. For 2, how many significant figures? 1. Therefore answer is also should have the significant figure 1. Therefore answer is 2. We should not write 2.0. For 2.0, how many significant figures? For 2.0, significant figures are 2. But the answer should have the least. That means answer is 2. Now we will see for this. 1.0 into 2.0. What is the answer for this? 1.0 into 2.0 is nothing but 2.00. But for this one, what is the significant figures? 1.0 means 2 significant figures. 2.0 means how many significant figures? 2. Therefore answer should also have the least. Which is least? 2 is the least. Therefore answer also should have the least significant figure. That is 2.0 is the answer. I should not write 2.00 or I should not write I should not write 2, which is wrong. The answer should have the least, that is 2. Now we will see one more thing. 1 into 2.0. What is the answer for this? 1 into 2.0, answer is 2.0. Now see here, we got as 2.0. Now for 1, how many significant figures? 1. For 2.0, how many significant figures? 2. Which is having least, 1 or 2? 1 is the least. Therefore answer also should have the least significant figure. That means answer should have only one significant figure. Therefore answer is 2 is the right answer. Now we will see one more thing. 1.2 into 2.00. What is the answer for this? 1.2 into 2.00. The answer is 2.400. Okay. Now this is the value we got. But actually this is not the right answer. Why it is not right answer? See here. How many significant figures are there? 1.2 means 2. Now here how many significant figures are? 2.00. 3. Which is the least? 2 is the least. Therefore answer also should have the 2 significant figures only. Therefore answer is 2.4. Therefore one more thing. 1.000 into 1.111. What is the answer for this? 1.000 into 1.111. How much? Answer is 1.11000. This is the answer actually. Okay, this value we got, well and good. But here after decimal, how many digits are there? Not after decimal, sorry. How many significant figures are there? 4. Here how many significant figures are there? 4. The least is 4. The answer also should have the only 4 significant figures. That is 1.111. If this is the answer, 1.111 into 1. What is the answer for this? 1.111 into 1 is how much? Here how many significant figures are there? For 1, only one significant figure. For 1.111, how many significant figures are there? 4. The least is 1 and next one is 4, which is not possible, which is not acceptable. Plus 1 is acceptable. That means I have to convert this one to 2 significant figures. Therefore, how can I convert this one to 2 significant figures? Therefore, if I round off this, I will get as 1.1. Therefore, now it is having 2 significant figures. 1, least is 1, plus 1 is 2. 2 is acceptable. Therefore, what is the answer? Answer is 1.1. And the least is having 1 significant figure. Therefore, answer also should have the 1 significant. Therefore, answer is 1. Observe carefully what we are doing. Now we will see a few more. .00 by 2. What is the answer? 4.00 by 2. What is the answer? Answer is 2.00. But I should know whether it is right answer or wrong answer. Now see here. For 2, how many significant figures are there? 1. For 4.00, how many significant figures are there? 3. 1, least is 1 and 3, which is not acceptable because plus 1 is only acceptable. Therefore, I have to first of all I have to convert this one as 2 significant figures. Therefore, how can I convert? Remove 1 0. Therefore, now it becomes 2 significant figures. Now divide it. How much you got? 2.0. Okay. Now which is having the least? 1 or 2? 1 is having the least. Therefore, answer also should have the same significant figures as the least. Therefore, answer is 2. Now see here. 4.00 by 2.0. What is the answer? Here how many significant figures? 2. Here how many significant figures? 3. 2. Next one is 3. Okay, acceptable. Plus 1. Acceptable. Therefore, what is the answer? 2.00. Well and good. Now, here how many? Least is 2. Therefore, answer also should have that only 2 significant figures. Therefore, answer is 2.0. Okay. Now, we will see one more. I think these are clear. How to do? Answer should have the least. Answer should have the significant figures which are the least significant figures in the values which I am using to multiply or division. Now we see 2.00 into 1.500 into 1. What is the answer? For 1, what is significant figures? 1. For 1.500, how many significant figures are there? 4. For 2.00, how many significant figures are there? 3. 1 is the least. 2 is acceptable, but 3 or 4 not acceptable. Therefore, I have to convert them first of all to 2 significant figures. Therefore, I have to remove 1 0. Then it becomes 2 significant figures. Now I have to 4 is there. Therefore, we have to remove 2 zeros. Then it becomes 2 significant figures. 1 is least. Plus 1, that is 2 and 2 is acceptable. Therefore, multiply 2.2 into 1.5 is nothing but into 1 is nothing but 3.00 something. Now, which is having least? Least is nothing but 1. Therefore, answer must be only 1 significant figure. Therefore, answer is 3. These are the algebraic operations with significant figures by multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. When you are doing addition and subtraction, see only the digits after the decimal. See only the digits after the decimal, and the answer should have the least number of digits used in the calculation. Now when you are doing the multiplication and division, see the significant figures as a whole number, and the answer should have the least significant figures used in the calculation. It may be division or it may be multiplication. The answer should have the least significant figures for calculation. That means which is having least? These are having least significant figure. Therefore, answer should be having the same significant figures as this. I think this is clear. Algebraic operations with significant figures, while addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Please remember this. In the options in the exam, NEET exam, they will give like this: 4.0, 4.004, 4.0000. Answer will be 4, but which one? Options will be like this. You have to decide very carefully. For that, you should know these operations. So, try to understand them. Do the problems by yourself. You give problems by yourself. You create the problems by yourself and solve them. And if you guys are having any doubt in any chapters, maybe 11th, it may be 12th, please mention in my mail, and within 24 hours your doubts will be clarified. In next video, we will see the error analysis. Thank you.